able to rotate. It's only 270. Leicester. Oh, so it's taken about 2 weeks, but we've replaced it and put a new Moflash speedy in. It's 1321, Wednesday the 6th of December 2023 for the 1326 East Midlands Railway service from Leicester to Grimsby Town. Wasn't actually so many years back when this one was first replaced with no fault at all. Can't find the video as to when, but I did after the last report. Right, let's trace back, because I didn't hear back from the local team at all. Let's see when I reported it and how long it's taken. Right, so the report was made on the 26th of November. It's the 6th of December now. So from report to fix, that was... Did I report on a Sunday? Might have done. Just over 2 weeks. Just under 2 weeks though. That's good work, just under 2 weeks and we repaired something, but also replaced the barriers in the city centre for no reason at all. So if this time I'm going to try and find when I got the last video when it was replaced. So it was during the hosing works. Whenever that was. I don't think it was 2015, I think it was later than that, earlier than that even. Right, so initially this alarm was replaced then, the 15th of December 2015. It's the 6th of December 2023, so if we do the maths, that's just under 8 years. I think. Yeah, just under 8 years ago when this was first replaced. Shit can't last. And we know that. But while we started to install really fast fuckers, I will never know. I don't mind them in some places. If they're not area suited, what's the point? My map's playing a bit weird, so I've lost the route lines for here, but I've got accurate indications. Very strange. So we've got a fast and a slow alarm here. Like I say, it's strange. This one's replaced twice. That one over there's not been replaced since this gained LEDs way back when. So it's extremely weird. So it's only going to get weirder, isn't it? In theory, it'll be here shortly through the sun that we can't see with. It's only 273. Each at Grimsby. The other new alarm comes on first as well. Scared me then. Right then, 1326 for the 1327 LNER Azuma service from Lincoln Central to London King's Cross. I'm expecting that. I guess it just goes to show in the area as well that we've only got Moflash heads available now. And we've thrown all the Clifford and Snell ones away. So that means when the upgrade eventually turns over for Highcombe in the next couple of years, that'll have a pair of fast ones. Which going to be extremely weird unless we keep the E2S alarms over, because they're still currently functional. That was then rescheduled to be next February after being last December, but it's been suspended again because the Department for Transport doesn't want to put any money towards it in order to help with the purchasing of the land for Network Rail to then reconstruct everything. Because we're still waiting for Network Rail to buy about an acre's worth, like long-wise in a short string, of land of the hosing estate at Highcombe to fit in a walkway to work with the new setup. But that's not been purchased yet because the estate's not keen to let it go. But we need that to progress with the action plan. With Swinderby, we need to buy land behind the signal box and redo that path as well. Because that's supposed to become a fully automatic one, which then will detect people waiting for the train to go for them to leave. Number 203. London King's Cross. It's a shame you can barely hear the old classic anymore. Time's 13:39 for the 13:39 East Midlands Railway service from Grimsby Town to Leicester. There's a pattern formed with our trains here today, and you're going to find out why with this when this next one passes. It's all to do with their final identity number. Not the head code, their actual train identity number. Because so far we've had a pair of threes. We've had 17273 and 80203. What could be next? Would it be another something 3? I smell a spaghetti bolognese as well. Someone's having a ready meal for late lunch at 13:40. Not that I blame them. Train's already here. They come really quickly at the minute. 17513. Leicester. So today we've seen a bunch of 3s. What a game. And that was the title. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.